MidJourney V6 tutorial. Want to create AI stunning art or images but don't know where to start? Meet MidJourney, a powerful AI tool that transforms simple text prompts into breathtaking images. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through what MidJourney is and how it works, how to access and set it up, how to write effective prompts for the best results, advanced techniques for refining your AI generated images. Before we get started, all of the mentioned tools will be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Basically, let's start with what is MidJourney. MidJourney AI is a powerful AI tool that generates images. Now, it creates high quality artwork from text description. It's perfect for artists and designers. It can generate ideas and concept arts for marketers and content creators. You can create unique graphics for ads, social media, and branding. Anyone exploring AI creativity, you can go ahead and head over to MidJourney without AI design skills. Unlike any other AI tools, MidJourney excels in artistic style, making it a favorite for digital artists, fantasy art, and realistic images. And so, how to go ahead and access or how to set up MidJourney? It's really simple. The first thing that you want to go ahead and do is to download the Discord application. Basically, this is a messaging platform where you can go ahead and join communities, and that includes MidJourney. In order to use MidJourney, you need to have a Discord app. So you can just go ahead and search for Discord on your browser right here. Once inside, you can then go ahead and click or register to an account. You can do that by clicking on the login button. And once inside login, you can then go ahead and see this button right here. Basically, once inside the login page, you can then go ahead and see a button that says sign up with Discord. From here, you can then go ahead and click on the download button and just go ahead and download and install the Discord application on your devices. Basically, right after that, let's now go ahead and head over to the official MidJourney website, which is www.midjourney.com. Once again, I'm going to leave the description for the links below. And so let's go ahead and click on the MidJourney website right here. Once inside MidJourney, it will then prompt you to this page where we have this AI loading image effect. Inside, you simply want to click on the sign up button. From here, we have our Discord and we also have our Google account. In our case, we are going to head over to the Discord sign up method right here. And right after loading in, it will then prompt us to this page where we have to click on continue to Discord. From here, it will then go ahead and open up our Discord application. So you can just click on the join MidJourney button. Right after joining in, basically it will go ahead and look something like this. And so you have your important messages. You can go ahead and begin by getting your MidJourney membership. So you can just go ahead and click on this button, click on view site, and once inside, we have our MidJourney account. Once again, you can just go ahead and continue with your Discord account. You can just click on continue. And basically right after, it will then go ahead and take us to the billing page right here. Now, you can basically go ahead and use MidJourney for free, but it's going to be limited. It has limited features. So to proceed with the free trial, you can just navigate through the newbie section right here. You can only go ahead and use 2 of the channels inside the Discord page. So in our case, let's go ahead and select the newbie 4. Now, once inside the newbie page, this is basically a public channel where you can go ahead and see everyone generating their own type of images right here. And so if you generate your image, you will then go ahead and have to wait on a queue time or a wait list before MidJourney can process or generate your image. And so to get started, you simply want to go ahead and type /imagine. And from here, it will then go ahead and appear with this prompt box. Inside the prompt box, you can just go ahead and type your prompt. Now, let's go ahead and start with a simple dog with cowboy boots. And let's go ahead and put something like a simple detailed explanation of the art, which is going to be realistic and daytime. If you want to go ahead and personalize your images right here, you can just go ahead and be detailed as much as possible. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some examples. With this one, a sci-fi inspired ambient flowing infinity done in a style of the graphite on paper. Now as you can see, they have details like the CMS invoice, minimal office settings, and more. Basically, you will then go ahead and see all of the people that are generating their own type of images right here. Now we have this one which looks really realistic. I don't see any AI resemblance right here. You can just go ahead and navigate through multiple photos, look at some other generation right here. For example, with this one, we have a traditional French restaurant, front view, ultra realistic, 4K, and more. So we have these results right here. And so once again, if you want to generate your own image, you could just go ahead and type for /imagine, and right after you can now go ahead and type your prompt. Now basically, to go ahead and write your prompt effectively, you can just go ahead and make sure that you want to be specific. You can describe colors, lighting style, and moods. You want to go ahead and use commas to separate details. It helps the AI understand your request better. You want to mention art style. Add words like realistic, surreal, watercolor, cinematic. Now those are a few examples. You can go ahead and use any one depending on your imagination. Now for aspect ratio, you can go ahead and use something like 16:9 if you want a detailed or desktop view. And for wide images, you can go ahead and use 1:1. And so for advanced prompt, it will go ahead and look something like a steampunk airship flying over a futuristic city, warm golden light / high detail, ultra realistic cinematic composition, and you have your aspect ratio, which is going to be AR 16:9. And so right after, once MidJourney generates 4 images of our variation, you'll see the buttons here below our generated images. You have your upscale button, upscale creative, you have the very subtle, very strong, and very region. You can go ahead and zoom out of the photo, zoom in, and custom zoom. Now, basically in your case, it will go ahead and look something like this, where it will go ahead and generate 4 images. In here, we have the version 1 that you can go ahead and use, or you have the upscale version. You can just go ahead and choose what type of images you want to customize. So for example, with this person, it has selected U3. Basically, it will go ahead and regenerate the photo right here. And with this one, it has generated the photo right here, which will go ahead and be able for the upscale option, the upscale creative, and more. And so my advice for the best practices and tips for using MidJourney is to go ahead and get consistent with high quality images. You want to follow the best practice. You want to experiment with different styles. You can try words like oil painting, 3D render, hyperrealistic, or sketch. You want to use reference images. MidJourney can process image inputs for more customized results. You want to join a community. Learn from others in MidJourney Discord server. Refine and edit images. Use tools like the Photoshop or Canva for final touch-ups. With practice, you'll create stunning AI artwork in no time. And that's how you master MidJourney AI to create incredible AI-generated art. With powerful prompts, customization settings, and AI publishing, the capabilities are endless. If this tutorial helped you, hit the like, subscribe, and drop a comment on what AI art you'll create next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.